In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Huawei to Strava. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up our Strava application. Make sure to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. Once you've signed up, you should see your user profile at the top right hand corner, or the top of the page here. Then from here at the bottom, we got different options. Click onto the U option. Now, once we're inside U, we need to click onto the gear icon. So that's located on the top right-hand corner of the page. This is going to get us into settings. Now, once in the settings, navigate lower and click onto where it says connect an app or device. So we can upload directly to Strava of almost any fitness app or device. So that's exactly what we're looking for here. Now on this page, you'll see a list of apps and devices you can connect, such as Health, Garmin, Suunto, Huawei, and more. So go ahead and tap on the Huawei one. Now you'll be prompted to log into your Huawei account and grant permissions. Once connected, any workouts you record in Huawei Health will sync to Strava automatically after you finish and sync your watch.